How to fix GeForce Experience error code. Let's get started. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. For that, click on the Start menu, search for Device Manager, open it. Now navigate to the option Display Adapters. Right-click your NVIDIA graphics card and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers and follow the prompts. Once that's done, close Device Manager. Step 2. Allow GeForce through firewall. For that, click on the Start menu, search Windows Defender Firewall, click on it. On the left, click Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Click Change Settings, then Allow another app, click Browse, then go to Program Files NVIDIA. Make sure private and public are both checked, then click OK to save. Step 3. Restart NVIDIA Services. Open Start menu and search Services. Scroll down to the NVIDIA Services section. Find NVIDIA Display Container. Right-click and select Restart. Next, find NVIDIA FrameView SDK service. Double-click. Click Start if it's stopped. Then click OK. Also, right-click it and select Restart. Finally, find NVIDIA Local System Container. Right-click and select Restart. Once all three are restarted, close Services. Step 4. Clear GeForce cache. Open Start menu. Search for Run and then launch it. Now here, type in %local app data % and search for it. Now here you're going to find the file for NVIDIA. You'll need to delete it. Step 5. Reinstall GeForce Experience. Launch your Settings app. Now navigate to the option Settings. Navigate to the option Apps. From the list of apps, find NVIDIA. Click on three dots for it, click on Install, then navigate to your preferred browser, search for NVIDIA GeForce and install it. So that's all for this video. These are some fixes for GeForce Experience error code. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.